Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about array syntax basics. I'm going to start by creating an integer array called array. And this is how you declare an array. It's very similar to declaring a regular variable, but this time you put empty square brackets, and that tells Java that this variable is going to be an array of integers. Next, I'm going to set it equal to a new array. So I'm going to instantiate an array by saying new int square brackets. And this time in the square brackets, I have to state how long the array is going to be. And that tells Java to go to memory and to set aside the space in memory for 3 integer values. The default value for an integer array is 0. So this has 3 zeros in it. If I would like to change the values inside of the array, I have to access each element using this notation. So inside of the square bracket, I've put 0 because the first index starts at 0. And I'm going to assign the first element as a 3. We'll set the next element as 5 and the last element as 7. Now I have an array that's got the values 3, 5, and 7. Let's create a double array. We'll call this one ARR. This time I'm going to use an initializer list. An initializer list lets us put the values in ahead of time at creation. So here's an array of doubles that has 5 values. Notice that this is the long version of the initializer list. We can shorten this by deleting this part, and it will still compile. This is the shorthand version, and this is what you're going to see on the AP exam. It allows us just to put the values in without having to do it as separate statements as you've seen before. Thanks for watching.